go. Fishing ain't easy. Alright, I'm almost there. Liver broil. Be smashing food there. Cross the street real quick. Getting closer. Y'all can see the river right there. Just gotta go up this bridge. There it is. Here's where I'm fishing today. This morning. Birds flying. Yep. I'll be fishing right down here. I see it. This water pretty high today. Look at that big ass stick. I might get snagged there. Damn. That's where I'm fishing at. Right down here. It's like a good fishing spot. Damn, fucking mosquitoes attacking the nigga up right now. Man. Grand River Trail. About to go over here and get everything set up. Cast out. Alright guys, my line is cast out. See if I catch anything. Well, my pole going crazy right now. I might have some. Hold on. Okay guys, I just caught this monster catfish. Can y'all see it? It's a monster. I'm gonna try to get it up here on this deck, but it's gonna be really, really hard, but I don't know how, but this thing is huge. Oh my God, guys, I can't believe I did it. I caught this monster catfish. Oh my God. He is a monster. God. When I mean he's a monster, this dude's huge. Can't believe I just caught this guy. He's just flapping around and stuff. I gotta get him back in the river though, guys. Oh my God. Can't believe I just caught this guy. Holy shit. And I was fighting him for a good 20 minutes. Swear. It's so hard to get a fish up over these docks, especially when you get a big fish. You gotta tire him out first. Man, awesome. Awesome catfish. Dang, I gotta put him back in the water though. Wow, beautiful catfish. So I can just pick him up. See how big this guy is. Man, this guy is huge. I'm trying to show you the hand thing. I'll put this guy back in the water. All right, buddy. I'm back in the water. There you go, right for big fish bass. Let's see this one more. Wow, I can't believe I caught that big catfish. There you go. There you guys go. Perfect spot for catfishing. Right here in the Grand River. North Lansing, Michigan. Yeah. And I caught it with this pole. And just a worm. I'm gonna try to catch another one, guys. Wish me luck. Alright, guys. Just reset up my pole. Lost my worm back there with that last catfish. To cast out again. So I fish with his worms right there. I'll be catching all types of fish. My God, guys. Pole bending like crazy. Got another big fish, but I believe it just put me in a snag, so I don't know if I'm able to get this one. I'm gonna try. Fuck. Damn, guys, I thought I caught a monster, but I ended up catching this. Oh well. I swear there was a fish on it, but I swear it put me into this, and this is what I got caught on. Yeah. Alright, back to fishing. Let's see if I can catch another monster. Ha! Just caught another fish. Calling these baby suckers. I don't know what they're really called. I just call them baby sucker. I know they're sucker fish. But I didn't even really feel him on my pole. I started reeling in because I was about to recast. And as soon as he got right up to closer to the deck, I started feeling him and he was flopping in the water, splashing in the water. Yeah. This guy right here. I caught one of these last week. These guys are pretty cool. Sometimes, it's probably about the biggest one I caught ever. Like shit, pretty good size. These sucker fishes. Man, awesome. I'm about to throw him back, and I think this might be my last fish. I don't know. I might throw the pole back out. I don't know yet. But yeah, one of these baby suckers. Time to put him back. All right, buddy.